Hello guys, this side Abhijant from Mind and Techie, and this video will be in English and Hindi because our audience is from India, so that's why. So basically we are going to cover this Dexy platform, and this is a very new platform to be frank, and they are coming with their ICO sale and all, and I'm going to talk more about it in Hindi. So if we will hit more than 2000 views in this video, I will make a new video on this profile Dexy network for the staking platform and all stuff, that how their staking is coming up and all. So basically let's get started. Cool. So what is Dexy? It is a, now I'm coming into Hindi. So this is a DeFi social trading platform, और इसमें जो होता है वो ये है कि ये सोशल ट्रेडिंग के लिए कर रहे हैं एंड इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन डिफाई. सो द डिफाई इज़ लाइक डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड फाइनेंस, एंड इसमें जैसे आप नीचे जाएंगे तो इनका एम इज़ लाइक दे आर यूजिंग द स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट डेक्सी. सो इससे क्या करेंगे ये लोग, ये मून स्वैप वगैरह जो भी हैं इतने सारे डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड एंड दीज आर द सेंट्रलाइज्ड एक्सचेंजेस. तो उसके थ्रू ये लोग क्या है ट्रेडिंग वगैरह कराएंगे हम लोगों को. इसका जो है स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज दिस वन, लाइक यू कैन जस्ट सी दैट देयर आर डिफरेंट पर्सन्स एंड लाइक द डिफरेंट ट्रेडर्स एंड ही इज गिविंग इट, एंड द स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज गोइंग ऑन इनटू दिस. एंड आफ्टर दैट you can just see कि copy traders with Dexy means their main focus is in copy traders, the trading for the copying and all stuffs. So they are focusing in two stuffs, wallet to wallet copying and direct trader management. तो उसमें क्या होता है, ये वॉलेट टू वॉलेट में क्या है, ये अनलॉकिंग टू फॉलो ये सब सारा ये बसड़ करते हैं. एंड उसके बाद जो ये जब जैसे इस पर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पर आते हैं तो उसके बाद हम नीचे चलते हैं. तो इसमें डेक्सी का फीचर है कि ये क्रिएट कर रहे हैं पर्सनलाइज्ड ट्रेडिंग टोकन, उसके बाद कॉपी अदर वॉलेट्स एंड सेव द एंड मल्टीप्लाई योर एसेट्स. एंड उसके बाद हम इसके बारे में अबाउट देख लेते हैं. तो अबाउट अस इज लाइक देयर टीम हैज़ बीन डेवलपिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम 2019, एंड इन लोगों का एक्सपीरियंस इनटू दिस फ्रॉम अ ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म, एंड दे हैव ऑलरेडी मैनेज द की गोल like the creation of an easy to use product for decentralized copying for the best of the wallets and traders. Like they are focusing on the decentralized copying for the trading stuff and all. So this is the co-founder of Dexy, and he have already made a video, and I will put the video link in the description, you can just check it out. So उसमें क्या है, उसके बाद इसका ये देख लेते हैं कि who are the supporters. तो इसके जो सपोर्टर्स है यू कैन जस्ट सी नोवा ग्लोबल, चेन कैपिटल वेरी बिग वन, द कॉइनटेलीग्राफ इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट नेम क्रिप्टो एक्सचेंज फॉर द न्यूज़ एंड ऑल स्टफ्स. So these all are into their supporters and investors list, and you can see Katana, Atas, Orion Protocol is one of the highly named, and you can see Conscious, Quest Capital, Bitmart, CBE, China Blockchain Expert. So they are very well funded, and basically so I'm just coming to the Twitter itself. Cool. So this is their Twitter handle, and let me just follow them in the video. अब उसमें जब हम जाएंगे तो they have the recently tweet is 5 hours before about the farming. So I have already told you guys, if we will get more than 2000 or 3000 views, I will be making a new video covering that how this farming rewards and staking rewards will be. Cool. So now we are going to that what is the token sale and all. So इसमें you can see कि इसमें Dexy network इन लोगों का इनका यहाँ से हो चुका है, इनका collaboration. They are already announcing a partnerships with Atas, order flow trading technique and all. So you can see कि crypto differ. What is crypto differ if you will ask me? So I will tell you that it is it's a Twitter handle for news and the updates for the cryptocurrency, and this is a very named and the reputed one. In 1 and 2 years itself, they have already made their name. So they have already covered them, and this is not the only post which they have already covered. They have already covered lots of posts of Dexy network. Let me show you some. So अभी हम नीचे जाएंगे and इसमें दिखाएंगे कि इसमें क्या है. Now you can see the crypto differ page, that how is their working profile they are going to work and all. So basically you can just see, let me just zoom it out, and okay, cool. सो इन लोगों ने क्लियर मेंशन करा है कि डेक्सी नेटवर्क रिलीज देयर डिटेल्स अबाउट डेक्सी यूटिलिटी टोकन विच दे आर कमिंग, विच इज द नेम ऑफ डेक्सी टोकन एंड अपकमिंग टोकन सेल। सो इन लोगों का जो टोकन सेल है, इसका जो टोकन सेल का इन्होंने डाला है उसका एर्गोनॉमिक्स, लेट मी टेल यू दैट व्हाट आर द एर्गोनॉमिक्स ऑफ इट्स टोकन सेल एंड द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस। तो इसका जो टोकन सेल है, यू कैन सी दैट नंबर ऑफ टोकन्स विल बी दिस वन 100000000 डेक्सी एंड इनिशियल जो सप्लाई होगी वो 22 राउंड्स की होगी फ्रॉम दिस 2 to 6 cool 2000000 to 6000000 डेक्सी depend on the quantity of the token that will be sold or burned during the sale। cool so basically ये लोग जो आ रहे हैं अपना सेल करने के लिए आ रहे हैं टोकन प्राइस। तो टोकन प्राइस जो होगा वो बोल रहे हैं कि विल बी फॉर्म आफ्टर द फर्स्ट राउंड, मीन्स दे आर नॉट कमिंग विद राइट नाउ टोकन प्राइस। सो ये लोग बाद में बताएंगे कि क्या टोकन प्राइस होगा उसका आफ्टर द फर्स्ट सेल। एंड उसके बाद जो आ रहे हैं इनका जो टोकन अलॉटमेंट है वो ये है इनका टोकन अलॉटमेंट। लेट मी जस्ट कूल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ टोकन इज लाइक दे आर कीपिंग द टोकन 33% for the fund and staking rewards they are keeping 10% of the token। public sale only they are doing this public sale and they are only allotting 5%। now you can see that what kind of hype will be there and what kind of price will be there when it get listed। it's very super crazy less, so it will definitely make a hype and make a high price for that token। and after liquidity ये कर रहे हैं 1%, marketing funding they are doing 5% which is a good thing and they are not spending much because they know the value of their token in future। and about school trading and competition they are doing the competition in future, so they are keeping this kind of thing for 10% of the allocation। partnership and ecosystem they are keeping 16 and they are only holding the 20% as a team fund। cool so इन लोगों ने अपना ergonomics बता दिया है कि क्या क्या है। अब उसके बाद हम इसमें चलते हैं कि टोकन सेल इनका पेज क्या है। तो इसमें they have already did a blog like they already did a blog 2 days back about Dexi utility token and early opportunity। so they have already opened the form that you can participate on 28th of September and to participate into the token sale। so basically इन्होंने सारा का सारा इसमें दिया है। I will share this link also in the description so that you can just click it out and check it out। and इसमें सारा इन्होंने बताया है कि what it is going on and all। so इन लोगों ने बताया you can see the token name will be Dexi, ticker will be Dexi, token type is ERC20 which is based on Ethereum and the token price will form by the first round based on the funding। so it is a very good thing, they are not saying anything that our token will be that which is a good thing because they want to see that what kind of engagement they are getting। and उसके बाद इसमें लिखा है फॉर असिस्टेंट एंड इसमें जो है इनका फंडिंग है आइसोलेटेड and allocated for the first round। first round supply is only and only, it's nothing in crypto world to be frank। and we get the base cost of token is $0.5, means it's like a $5.5 and which is a base cost। and the total number of tokens is, you know that it's 100000000 Dexi and the initial round will be 22 which I told you। and they are accepting the token allocation if you want to buy, it's USDC, USDT and Ethereum। and उसके बाद after 22 rounds will be there and the distribution which I told you already, which I covered। and the token lock, the public sale token which you are going to have right now, which I'm giving you the link, you can just go and just claim the token, means you can fill the form। it's very complicated to be frank but I will just tell you that how to do। तो इसमें public token is no lock, means you can trade directly when it come। award for staking is for vesting 12 months, if you are getting award for staking it will be vesting for 12 months। foundation lock 1 year, team 6-month lock period and vesting 24 months 2 years। partner ecosystem, for the partner in ecosystem 3 months lock and 12 months of vesting। and it's like a school and trading competition, 2 months of locking and for 12 months of allotment। marketing is for 1 month and vesting 12 months। market liquidity no lock। cool So इसमें जो है, इसमें participation of the round will be receive daily dynamic state. So the marketing will be this one, and after that you will go to this sale duration will be 22 days, where one lock token continues for 1 round to continues to 24 hours. So basically they have already each and everything into this, so it's little bit complicated to be frank. And उसके बाद तुम लोग जाओगे तो application form is there in which you have to click, and I will provide this link. Yeah, it will open this form and the first round of participating. So you have to write the name, email address, country, India, and from wherever you are. And you have to write that you are the individual person, or you are from any kind of institutional you are, so you can. And after that, organization name, amount of USD how much, and ERC20, the trust wallet and MetaMask will be the best one, to be frank. And after this you have to write this is the main thing they want to see, that how can you help the DEXI ecosystem. So they don't want to give the tokens to funders, or they don't want to give the tokens to those who can dump and crash the price. They want to give the tokens to those who truly deserve, which is the main thing. And it's highly impressionable, to be frank. They don't want to create this kind of trash like other guys do it. So I'm totally impressed by this thing. And after this you can just go to this Twitter handle of them, and you can just see that lots of announcement was there, and they have already this new blog about the staking. As per promise, if you guys hit more than 2 or 3,000 views, I will be covering this into the next video for detail. So I know that you guys will hit as per the past you guys are doing, so I'm totally sure. So ये जो है, you can just see, and lots of information and is there, to be frank. So I will put the each and every link and into the description. You can just see and just read the project. So basically my advice is that first just do your own research and read the project. If you think that you are capable enough to enter into the project and to check the project and all, so you can go on. So last thing which I want to tell is, you just go to YouTube and write DEXI network. You will find this video about the DEXI. You can just go to this page and go to videos, and here you will see this video, and this video is of Mr. Dimitriv. I'm sorry if I butcher your name. So he's the co-founder of this DEXI. So he announced each and everything, that what the DEXI is, क्या टीम है, क्या इनका पोर्टफोलियो है, क्या इनका ऑब्जर्वेशन है, क्या इनका सारा का सारा फ्यूचर प्लानिंग्स हैं. सो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन लोगों ने बता रखा है, और उसमें आप लोगों को पता चल जाएगा. आई कैन नॉट ओपन दिस वीडियो बिकॉज मे बी आई विल गेट अ स्ट्राइक, सो दैट्स वाई. So I don't want to take a risk, and I will just put this video link into the description also, so that तुम लोग देख सको, you guys can see. So that's it all for today, and I hope that you like the video. And this is very promising project, to be frank. I'm personally liking it, and I'm loving this project, that how they are coming up, and they are very silent. They are not doing so many influencers thing that cool, I'm coming, we are coming, invest. No, they want that the investor will be the main genuine one, which is the very highly appreciable, and I salute them, to be frank. So let's hope for the best, and I hope you enjoy the video, and just hit the like button, guys, and subscribe to the channel, and just hit the more than 2 or 3,000 views, and I will just come up with a new video. Cool. Bye bye.